Hey, this is Adam Huxma from ProjectionHub, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the currency symbol in a ProjectionHub financial projection template. This is a common question that we get. I wish that there was a really simple answer that I could show you that you could just click up a button and change the currency symbol throughout the entire template. Unfortunately, I have scoured the internet and all the different Excel tips, and there's just not a way to do that from what I can tell. So it is a bit of a tedious manual process, but it is doable. And so I'm going to give you a couple tips as how I've done this as I kind of go through it and show you what you'll need to do. Okay, so I'm on the At a Glance tab here, and let's say I wanted to change the currency symbol here in this table. And right now it's set as dollars. And so I'm going to come up to Home, and then there's a little symbol right here, a currency symbol. I'm going to hit this drop down, then I'm going to click More Accounting Formats. And then from there on, I'm going to come to this, I'm going to say Accounting, and then for the symbol, let's just say we're going to pick a different symbol here. Let's do a euro. And so if I click euro and click OK, it's going to change that column to a euro symbol. Now, the challenge here is that this column here is still dollars. And so really to change it everywhere throughout the model, it is a tedious process of highlighting the sections that are dollars. And you can highlight multiple rows at a time. So you can hold down the Control button on your keyboard. So if I hold Control and I highlight multiple columns at a time, then I can come back up and More Accounting Formats. I can again pick what I want. So let's see, we're going to use a Japanese currency, and we can change that. You'll see it changed all 4 columns at once. So, you really do have to kind of go through each section where you see currency symbols and make that change. Now, you could do that here on the income statement. Right now, the way we have this formatted is we don't put a currency symbol in front of every single number. We just have it at the totals and subtotals. If you wanted to, you could just highlight the whole thing and put a currency symbol in front of everything. So it could look like that. Otherwise, you would have to go through row by row here that you want, highlight that, and make that change. If you really want to do it throughout the entire model, I would expect maybe a 30-minute project for you to go through and do that. The other thing you could always consider is that you only worry about changing the currencies on the output tabs. That would be a simpler process. So if the only thing you're going to show a lender or an investor is these different report tabs, maybe that's the only thing you change. And it would be okay. It's just whatever symbol is in front of the number. So the number doesn't change. So you could really just think of these and treat these as your currency, even though it has a dollar sign. And then just only change the currency symbol on the output tabs that you need to. That would be a faster way to do it. But anyway, I hope this has been helpful. It is an annoying just reality with Excel that there's just not a great way to handle this throughout the entire model. But if you have any questions, please reach out to us at support@projectionhub.com. Thanks.